Hello po, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, ngayon naman po, tatalakayin natin yung ah, computer, internet, and email. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka na. Okay. So, introducing to computer, internet, and email. So, what is computer? Ano ba ang computer? So, ano ba ang gamit ng computer? Para saan ba itong computer? Okay, so computer can be used to process information and handle all kinds of programs. So it can perform a lot of tasks. And one basic task is surfing the web and sending email messages worldwide, worldwide through the internet. So alam na natin, familiar naman kayo sa computer, di ba? Maraming nagagawa ang computer. Maraming benefits sa atin ito. Di ba? Sa communication, di ba? We can perform a lot of tasks. Diba? Madami tayong nagagawa using computer. So a computer is an electronic device that stores, retrieves, and processes data through the years. So it has undergone rapid changes in terms of its components, design, and program. So every year nagbabago yung nag-a-update, di ba? Kumbaga, mabilis na nagbabago yung components, tsaka design, tsaka program ng ating computer. Mas lalo pang nagiging advanced, di ba? Kung dati, konti lang yung components niya, ngayon, madami ka ng pwedeng gawin or madami nang pwedeng ibigay sa iyo yung computer. So, the computer has four functions. So, first is input. So it is the entering or feeding of data or information into a computer. So this is done using the keyboard, mouse, or scanner. So ito po yung examples ng input devices. So with the help of input devices, nakakapag-input tayo ng data, 'di ba? Gamit ang scanner, trackball, itong touch panel, joystick, code reader, mouse, OCR, and keyboard. So ito po yung examples ng mga input devices. Next is output. Once the data are processed, you can now see, hear, and interact with it. You can see the data in the monitor or hear the sounds through the speaker. So ito yung nagpa-process ng ating mga data. With this, nakikita natin yung data natin, naririnig, at pwede nating ma-monitor. Di ba? So, webcam, example ng output devices. We have webcam, microphone, printer, speakers, and headphone. Okay. So, third is processing. So this is the central processing unit called CPU is the part of the computer that handles the data by following a set of instructions called program. So inside the CPU is a microprocessor which carries out complex calculation in less than a second. So the performance of the hardware, physical parts, and software programs rely on the microprocessor. So may iba-iba tayong klase ng processors. Ito yung makikita nyo sa inyong mga laptop. Meron tayong Core i3, i3, Core i5, Core i7, Core i9, or Intel lang na nakalagay. So iba-iba yung functions niya. Kung ang gusto niyo ng laptop is for student type of laptop, siguro yung mga i3 or Intel i3 or i3 or yung Intel lang yung nakalagay or kung ang purpose nyo naman na gusto nyo gamitin is yung for editing, yan, pwede nyo gamitin yung Core i5 tsaka Core i7. Or sa games, kung ang purpose nyo naman ay games, maglaro ng games, so yung mga Core i9 or Core i7. So, depende sa gamit natin. So, ito yung nagpa-process ng ating, or nag-handle ng ating data. Okay, next is storage. So, there are two types of storage. We have short-term and long-term. So, pag with short-term storage refers to random access memory or RAM, which stores information while you are using the computer, but it is constantly erased and rewritten as you open and close the file. Okay? While long-term storage stores and act as backup if the power supply is off. Storage is measured by bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, and terabytes. So we have different storage or yung memory, ba? Memory devices or memory storage. Meron nang nakalagay sa ating sa ating laptop mismo, yung RAM. So yung mga external storage, meron tayong floppy disk, memory card, pen drive, tape, memory card reader, USB flash memory, media devices, external optical drives, and zip drive. So, meron din tayong DVD, CD. So, maraming storage na pwede natin gamitin. External storage. Pero may built-in naman na nasa loob na yung RAM. Okay, yung random access memory. Yan po yung meron tayo. May storage. For example, yung storage ng laptop mo is, sa akin kasi, yun ba yung storage ng laptop ko? Tingnan ko lang. Meron 4 GB, ganyan. Depende. So, kung anong memory yung capacity lang ng laptop natin. Mm-mm. Then, how to use the computer. So, alam naman nyo to kung paano gumamit ng computer. So, it serves as a review lang naman to. First is choose a language and location. Watch the welcome video. So, once na binuksan nyo yung laptop nyo or computer nyo, may bagong bili pa lang. So, you must create an account name or profile as needed by the computer. So, kinakailangan ng account name. Then, so kinakailangan din natin ng wireless network. Siyempre, hindi naman tayo makaka-process ng data, makaka-send ng data without wireless network. Then, register your computer for any purpose, for the purpose of operating system and warranty. So, kung bagong bili yung computer nyo or laptop nyo, you need to register. Diba? Mga services na binibigay ng pinagbilhan yung store, tsaka warranty. Diba? 6. Install your operating system. Operating system is a licensed software that allows your computer to run. It can be included in your new computer to run. So it can be or you will be advised by the computer seller to buy and install it separately. So we have Windows XP, Windows 8, Windows 10 are operating system for computers. So, nag-upgrade kasi ito eh. Kada year, nagbabago. So, may tinatawag tayong Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. So, ngayon may Windows 11 na latest na operating system. Yung ginagamit natin. Next is install and register your programs. Yung Microsoft Office, yung Meron tayong Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, and Outlook or other apps na pwede nyo i-install or meron na naka-install na mga apps yan. Pero kung gusto niyo dagdagan, depende sa app na gagamitin niyo. Pwede kayo mag-install or bili sa ano sa sa Play Store, di ba? 8. Connect the peripheral devices. So these are auxiliary devices that are connected to the computer. So to maximize its functionality, these devices include the mouse, printer, keyboard, and webcam, among others. So some are plug and play, ay tinatawag natin PNP, and others require software to be installed before use. PNP is a feature of a computer system by which peripherals are automatically detected and configured by the operating system. So pag sinabi natin peripherals, these are non-essential pieces of hardware that plug into the computer externally. So pwede natin siyang tanggalin kahit wala itong mga devices na ito or peripherals na ito, gagana pa rin yung computer niya. Kumbaga additional na lang ito. Kumbaga borloloy na lang. For example, printer, kahit walang printer, gagana naman yung computer niya, di ba? Kahit walang printer, walang scanner, walang itong sound. So yung or itong headphone, gagana pa rin yung computer mo, di ba? Or webcam, kahit walang speakers, di ba? Gagana pa rin yung inyong computer. Additional na lang ito. Diba? Para ma-maximize yung gamit natin sa computer. Ito, gumagamit tayo ng mga ito. Microphone, speakers, mouse, joystick, webcam, etc. Okay, how to use computer. So, kung bago pa lang kayo doon or bago nyo pa lang gamit yung computer nyo, start up with your PC, then go to control panel. Ito Windows 7 kasi ito. Punta kayo dito sa start up, then click nyo yung control panel. So lahat naman ng Windows meron yan. Makikita nyo naman yan agad. And then choose system and maintenance. Click get started with Windows. Okay? So click nyo lang yung systems and maintenance to back up your computer. Okay, click nyo lang yan. Then pick the categories essentially for the setting up and personalizing of your PC. So kung gusto nyo i-personalize yung PC nyo, click nyo lang itong yan. Diba? So pag na-click kayo dyan, Control Panel Systems and Maintenance Welcome Center, click nyo lang yan. Tapos palitan nyo yung yung internet, connect to the internet. Isa-set up nyo lang. Transfer files and settings. View computer details. Windows Anytime upgrade. Tsaka itong add new users. So, explore nyo na lang ito. Okay? Madali na naman yan matutunan. Tsaka hindi rin kasi ako expert dyan sa computer. So, kanya-kanyang lang to. Kumbaga, kailangan nyo ding explore yung computer nyo. Anyways, mas magaling naman kayo sa generation namin. Generation namin, wala pa ng computer. Medyo luma-luma pa. Kumbaga, lumang model pa ng computer yung sa amin. Sa inyo, nabutan nyo na maganda yung computer. Diba? Maraming functions. Alam nyo na kung paano i-navigate. Kaya kang yan. Okay, next is the internet. Ano ba ang internet? Ano ba ang gamit nito? So it is an international communication network and it joins millions of computer users around the world. Di ba? Nakakapag-communicate tayo, di ba, sa ibang mga tao using the internet. Nakakapag-send tayo ng information, data using the internet. So these computers are connected through series of servers, modems, switches, phone lines, cables, and satellites. So a modem allows computers to be connected through phone lines to link people from one place to another in order to share information. Diba? Ganito na lang kadali kabilis ah magkaroon tayo ng communication sa ibang mga tao, di ba? With the use of internet. So internet is also referred to as a series of connection of one web server to another. And web servers are very important in this matter because it is the one that manages website and pages. So yung web servers, sila yung nagmamanage ng mga websites tsaka yung pages na nakikita natin sa internet. Diba? Kapag nag-google tayo, or another, yung mga websites na pwede natin makuha na ng information. And then, requirements in connecting to the internet. So, may mga requirements pala. No? So, a computer with an operating system like Microsoft Windows that can run an internet software and has a storage capacity of 8 GB RAM and a hard disk of at least 2 GB. Okay? Tapos, a modem with a speed of 28.8 kilobytes per second or higher speed. So, a telephone line with tone dialing support or a cable line. And the fourth, a web browser and a software that allows you to view web pages such as Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and others. So ito yung mga web browser. Dito tayo nakakahanap ng mga web pages, di ba? Or any information. Five is internet service provider. So you need to subscribe to any company offering ISP in the types of either dial-up or digital subscriber, line or DSL, or broadband connection. Slow connection of 500 kbps is sufficient for your email and social networking. Fast connection 2 to 7 Mbps allows you to download music and watch video. So ang magandang Mbps is 10, 10 pataas. Or 15 or 30 Mbps, yan, mabilis na yan. So kinakailangan nyo subscribe sa internet service provider. So marami naman yan, di ba? Yung Skype, PLDT, pili na lang kayo. So how internet works. So ito yung telecom line, ito yung speaker, DSL modem, landline phone. So yung DSL modem pala. So connect nyo sa PC, and then Wi-Fi router, sa laptop, smartphone, and tablet. Diba? So how the internet works. So ito yung function, ito yung system natin. Kung without the telecom line, tsaka DSL modem, and Wi-Fi router, so hindi tayo makaka-access sa internet. Okay, how to use the internet? In setting up an internet connection, an elder who is knowledgeable should be involved to avoid complication. So, na kailangan nyo pa rin ano, hindi ng assistance sa inyong mga parents. Diba? So if the setup is successfully completed, the icon of your web browser will appear in the main menu bar located to the leftmost part of the desktop. So click the icon, wait for its web page to appear. Next, move your cursor or pointer along the search bar, then type the desired subject. So paano po ito? Then the web will give you many suggested sites to refine your search. You must be more concise in typing the subject matter. So kunyari yung gamitin nyo is Google Chrome. Lagay nyo lang dito doon, i-type nyo lang doon sa Google Chrome yung subject matter na gusto mong i-search at lalabas na yung mga information. So, ang gagawin nyo doon is to check the suggested sites by clicking to the bold titles or images of the website. So, lalabas na yung mga suggested sites na pwede nyo mapagkunan ng mga information. Next is navigate the website. Familiarize yourself with the buttons and bars of your browsers. So, there are address bar, bookmarks, and etc. So, you need to navigate the website. Next is internet offers possibilities such as finding information online through googling, searching, browsing, downloading, saving images, and plugin. Diba? So, ganun. Yun yung mga advantages na meron tayong internet. Diba? Ito yung mga ibibigay ng internet sa atin. So, pwede tayo mag-search, mag-browse, mag-download ng mga images or videos. Diba? Then communicating, social networking, chatting, instant messaging, voice over internet protocol, or video conferencing, or blogging. Pwede tayong mag-blog, mga social networking sites. Chatting, di ba? Mag-send ng message. At itong video conferencing, ito ginagawa natin. May paggamit natin ng Google Meet at Zoom. Sample yan ng video conferencing. And then having entertainment from streaming media and gaming, di ba? Ang ibang mga social media sites. At saka yung mga streaming media, mga YouTube, kung ano-ano pa, tsaka gaming site. Yung mga mahilig gusto maglaro ng Roblox, ang mga tawag dyan, yung nilalaro nyo, yung COCML, yung Minecraft, diba? Nakakapaglaro tayo din dahil sa internet. So, this is the simple step on how to use the internet. Madali lang naman to. Easy lang ito sa inyo kasi kumbaga nasanay na kayo dyan. So, click the icon of your web browser from the main bar, Google for example. Then search engine appears, move your cursor to the search bar and type your subject of interest. Then press enter. Yan, ilalagay nyo lang dito. Search Google or type a URL. Then lagay nyo lang dyan yung subject matter nyo. Then press enter. And then suggested websites with your typed subject will appear. So pipili lang naman kayo doon sa mga information. So ingat lang kayo sa mga information na makikita nyo doon sa mga choices. So pili lang kayo doon ng mga kumbaga concise at saka tamang information. And then your selected website appears on your screen. Is this what you are looking for? So yun. Kung ano yung napili nyo, yun yung mag-appear sa sa inyong screen. Okay, next is email. Ano nga ba ang email? Ano ba ang gamit ng email? So, napaka-bless natin kasi na-create tong email. Kasi dating ginagamit natin yung postmail. So, ito yung pagkakaiba ng postmail at saka email. Address, di ba? Pag sinabi natin postmail, personal itong i-deliver yung yung letter, personal yung isa-send sa inyo. Kaya isa-send yan sa inyo ng postman. Okay, yung delivery time. Bago nyo pa matanggap yung letter nyo, it takes 7 days or more. Samantalang kapag email, a few seconds or minutes, nandyan na yung message, di ba? And then the content, magkaiba ng features. Yung content, Personalize yan, di ba? Pwede nyo lagyan ng design or depende sa inyo. Yung content naman, standard naman yun sa email eh. And then cost, gagastos pa kayo, di ba? Pag postmail. Pag naman email, free. Basta may internet lang kayo. Free naman yan eh. So email or what we call electronic mail is a way of sending a letter using the computer and the internet. So it is the easiest and fastest way to communicate with anyone in the world who has an email account. The email has served as a great alternative to traditional mail, commonly known as postmail. So napakadali, di ba? Ang dali ng buhay. Sis, maggawa ka lang ng letter, tapos isesend mo lang sa ibang email address, di ba? Ganun lang kadali. Even now, di ba? Sa pandemic, di ba? Kanya mag-apply ka ng job through internet na. Diba, napakadali lang. Hindi ka na maglalakad kung saan-saan. So the top three email providers are Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Microsoft Outlook. So emails controlled by email servers for deliver, accept, and forward messages. So commonly used na na email providers yung Gmail. Mas madali siyang gamitin yung Gmail, diba? So here are the proper ways of using the email. So bakit mayroon pang proper way? Diba? Hindi ka basta-basta gagamit lang ng email. So first is you need to create an email account and sign in. Naman talaga, kailangan natin magawa ng email account at mag-sign in. Once na nakaisip ka na ng email account mo, gawa ka ng username and password. For example, mrbean908@gmail.com. And this ay yung password na gusto mong ilagay. And then get the email addresses of those you wish to send and receive email messages from. Make sure you get the correct spelling or else the email provider will fail to send your messages. So kailangan yung email or yung pagsisendan nyo ng inyong letter ay tama. Kasi kung mali yan, hindi nila ma-receive yun. So to start a new message, click compose, fill in the details to so may makikita kayong nakalagay doon to. So email address of your recipient, yung subject, a word or headline of your message, then a blank space, move your cursor here and start writing your message, then click send. So to read the message, click in the inbox. When the message box opens, choose the message you want to read. So you may reply to the received message by clicking the reply button. A blank space above the message you open will appear. Start typing your reply and then click send. Your email provider will alert you with this notice. Your message has been sent. And then if you are through, sign off by clicking sign out. Always do this after checking or sending an email. Email accounts left open are prey to hackers who wish to do you mischief or harm. So kailangan i-secure natin yung ating password. Okay. Sana may natutunan kayo na kahit konti sa ating discussion. Though binasa ko lang ito. Ano lang kasi direction lang naman ito kung paano gamitin yung email. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. Wait lang, mag-open pa lang muna ako ng tab. Okay, let me share my screen. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayun yung tab. Okay. So, ito yon. Ito yung search bar. Yan. Ilagay nyo lang subject verb agreement. Yan. So, mag-appear na yan. Pili lang kayo ng information. For example, ito, 7 vital Windows maintenance task. Press nyo lang yan. At nakikita nyo na yan. Ayan, ito na yung website, web page. Yan. Yan yun na information na gusto nyo dyan. Set email. Ayan. Ito yung Gmail. Punta lang kayo dyan. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, compose. Click nyo lang yung compose. Ito yung inbox. So, dyan nyo makikita yung mga nag-send sa inyo ng mga messages. Then, kung gusto nyo mag-send, click nyo lang yung compose. Lagyan nyo kung kanino. Example, ito yung email ad, for example. Then, subject, HELE, activity 1. Lagyan nyo lang dyan. Tapos, yung inyong message, for example, maglagay lang ako dito kung ano-ano type yan. And then, for example, ito yung message nyo. Okay? Then, pwede kayo mag-attach ng files, insert ng link, insert emoji, insert file using Drive, insert photo, okay, turn confidential mode, and then insert signature. Katapos niyan, kung okay na, send nyo lang. Yan, ganun lang siya kadali. At ito yung makikita nyo message send. Okay. Okay, I hope you learned something. Naantok na rin kasi ako. Okay, good night na po. Okay, thank you for watching my video.